Sam had always dreamed of riding a motorcycle. The freedom of the open road, the thrill of wind rushing past, and the camaraderie of fellow riders called to him. Finally, after months of saving and anticipation, Sam bought his first bike, a sleek black cruiser that gleamed in the sunlight. Excited but aware of his inexperience, Sam enrolled in a beginner motorcycle safety course. The instructor, a seasoned rider named Cory, emphasized the importance of mastering 5 essential skills for a safe and enjoyable riding experience. The first skill they set out to master was throttle control. Throttle control is about smooth and gradual movements, Cory explained. Jerky accelerations or abrupt stops can lead to instability. Practice finding that sweet spot where you can smoothly transition between speeds. Sam practiced in the parking lot, gradually getting the hang of maintaining a steady throttle. The more he practiced, the more comfortable he became with the bike's responsiveness. Once he had gotten better with the throttle, they moved on to the second essential skill, braking techniques. Braking is more than just squeezing the lever, Cory continued. You need to use both the front and rear brakes together, applying them smoothly and progressively. Sam learned to avoid sudden, harsh braking, which could cause skidding. Instead, he focused on gentle braking and using engine braking to slow down. This skill gave him confidence when approaching stop signs and navigating traffic. Already improving on 2 essential skills, they moved on to number 3, cornering. Cornering is an art, Cory said with a smile. Look where you want to go, lean with the bike, and maintain a steady speed. The key is to trust your bike and your instincts. Sam practiced cornering on winding roads, learning to lean into the turns and keep his eyes focused on the exit of the curve. He discovered that smooth cornering not only felt exhilarating, but also enhanced his control over the bike. Now feeling more confident than ever about cornering, they moved on to the 4th essential skill, gear shifting. Smooth gear shifting is essential for a seamless ride, Cory explained. Learn to listen to your bike's engine and shift at the right RPMs. Sam practiced shifting gears, paying attention to the bike's sound and feel. He quickly realized that smooth gear changes made for a more enjoyable ride and improved his overall control. With Sam getting better at shifting by the minute, they decided to move on to essential skill number 5, awareness and scanning. Always be aware of your surroundings, Cory emphasized. Constantly scan the road ahead, checking for potential hazards and other vehicles. This skill can make all the difference in avoiding accidents. Sam adopted the habit of scanning his environment, looking far ahead and using his mirrors frequently. He became more attuned to potential dangers and felt more confident navigating busy streets. By the end of the course, Sam had transformed from a nervous beginner into a confident rider. The 5 essential skills he had mastered, throttle control, braking techniques, cornering, gear shifting, and awareness, became second nature. With each ride, Sam's love for motorcycles grew, and he knew that these skills would serve him well on every journey. But the next journey Sam had in mind was getting out on the highway. But he wasn't feeling quite ready for that yet. So I told him to watch this video next for 5 highway hacks I wish I knew sooner to help keep you safe on your motorcycle. Way to go, Sam.